Carpet and flooring transformers. We out here in Ellenwood, Georgia, taking care of a customer who's moving out. She actually put her house on the market and doing her diligence here and getting the carpet shampooed for the new owners. That's the right thing to do. So we out here taking care of that. She found us on Google, saw our reviews, and realized that we were the company for her. So here we are. Today was excellent. We was busy in production, putting together a commercial. We're gonna roll out later on this year.
And went right to work.
And then we came right to work, because that's what we do.
Gotta get it.
Yeah. So this is Vincent Alexander and Antoine Meeks of yours truly, Carpet and Flooring Transformers, checking in with you guys, doing some hot water extraction. Carpets coming out beautiful, as we expected them to. So anyway, follow us on YouTube at Carpet and Flooring Transformers. Follow us on Instagram at Carpet and Flooring Transformers. You can also follow us on Facebook at Carpet Transformers. Follow us on Twitter at Carpet and Flooring Transformers. Visit our website, carpettransformers.com, or simply give us a call, 770-330-2017. That's my direct number, but the business number is 770-236-1255.